Hello everyone, today we're going to be making a clicker game, and so I hope you enjoyed this, and leave a like the video, subscribe, so you know when the next part of the clicker game comes out, and let's get right into it. So the first step is to add in a script into script service. Then you can rename the script to leaderstats, like that, and then let's make the script so game.Players.PlayerAdded connect function player. So this will detect when a player joins the game. This will make a new folder where all like the money and things will be put in. Now we need to make one, so I will say like clicks. So if we do local clicks equals instance.new IntValue, this needs to be IntValue because it's gonna be a number value. You can change it to whatever you want. So you like, when you say that at the top about like money and cash and stuff, if you change this to whatever you want, that's what it will say out there. You can change this, and this will be how much money you start with, or clicks in this case. So now let's see if it works. There it goes, it clicks and 0. So for example, now let me show what that meant. If I was gonna change this to like cash, change this like 500, it will now say here cash and 500, but I'm gonna keep it on clicks and 0. So 0. Okay. So now we're gonna make a button that will give you clicks when you click it. So if we go here and then screen GUI, and you can rename this to click GUI, and then a text button, you can rename this to click button. I'm going to be making this very simple. You can change the size and the font and the text in it and everything to whatever how you want to make a different part of when I make the GUI look better. Right now it will be very basic. And then if I go to add in a local script, and then here the script will be, so it will make it, so it will give the clicks. So click script. Okay, now you want to go, so no, yeah, want to go script parent. Let's go to more click connect function. So this will detect when this button is clicked, and when that's clicked it will do whatever it's inside here. So now we need to do some variables. So if you changed this, you need to change this. And you just need this and that needs to be the same. So for example, if this was like cash, this needs to be cash. If this was like money, this needs to be money. So now if we do clicks.Value equals clicks.Value plus 1, you can change the 1 to whatever you want. This is how much it will give you every time you click it. So now let's go see if it works. So now I should start with 0 clicks. There we go. And when I click, it should give me clicks. There we go. So now it's giving clicks. So I'm gonna make rebirths as well. So if we go to leaderstats script and we copy this, and we can paste this, and then we can change this to rebirth, and we want to change all these clicks to rebirth. Then this is the same as this, so you can change this to whatever you want. In this case, I'm going to rename it to rebirths and start with 0 rebirths. Okay, so now if we go back to here and we copy this, change this to rebirth, and you can change this. So this is the same, whatever this needs to be the same. So if this was like cache, this needs to be cache as well. So this is a rebirth, this needs to be rebirth. Okay, so now if we do an if statement, rebirth.value is more 0 than clicks.Value equals clicks.Value plus rebirth value. So basically what this command does is so like it will give you one click every time, but if your rebirth is higher than 0, then it will add the amount of rebirths you have. So if we go to play right now, it should give me it pops up the rebirths as well. So now if I click, it should give me one click. That will go up one click every time. Now if I add in here like 10 rebirths, it should give me way more. There we go. So see, it works. If I can change this to like 500, it will give me more, you know. So now we got all of this, and I'm gonna add another one, another button. Now we're gonna make another button, which will be like a button that will make it give us rebirths when we rebirth. So if we go to here, screen GUI, rename this to rebirth, and then here we can add a text button. I'm gonna keep it basic as well. You can change this to whatever you want. There we go. And then add in a local script. Nothing with it. Add in a frame first. Now the frame popped up. Then we'll make it not visible for now. And then if we go here, we can name this to open script. And this, what we need to do is open script, and we're gonna change this to script.Parent. Mouse button, one click, connect function. So this will, what will do when you click this, it will do this. So if we do script.Parent.Parent, so .visible. So that's what this will do. Is this will go from script, it will go to parent. So this one, it will go to next parent. It will be a rebirth. Now we need to do dot frame, but it will not be called frame. So we need to change this first. And if we name this to menu, and we do here menu dot visible equals true. So what will this do? So right now when we join the game, we do not see the frame at the top, but if we click this, it disappears. So you can close all of these as well. Okay, so now if we go to menu and make this visible. Okay, and now I'm gonna make this very basic as well. I will make one episode where I will be detailing all the GUI. So if I add another text button, add this here, background color to this, text scale, and do so this will be the close button. Local script, close script, close script. Okay, so now if we do this script.Parent.mouse button click connect function, so this will detect when this is like when the X is little X is clicked, and when that's clicked it will do this script.Parent.Parent.Visible equals false. So this what we'll do is go from parent to parent and make this not visible anymore. So when you click it, it will close this menu. So if we go test it, it should work. Oh, I forgot to make that so it's not visible by default. So if we go here, make this not visible, and now let's go test it. Click Rebirth, disappears. Click it, it will disappear. So good. Now if we make another script in menu, we can actually make this visible. Okay, and then add another text button. We'll put it 0 for now. Change the color to anything, just so it stands out, and then we do changes to Rebirth. Okay, so if we add another local script, or actually this, let's rename this. So if we do this to open button, and rename this to close button, and then rename this to Rebirth button. So like this, local script, we can make this to Rebirth script. Okay, and now we want to do this. So first we need to detect, so when it gets clicked, so if we do okay, here, if we go here, and then we can do script.Parent, but mouse button won't click connect function. Okay, so this will detect when this is clicked, and it will do what it needs to do. So if we do local player equals game.Players.LocalPlayer, if we do local clicks equals player, wait for child leader stats, wait for child clicks. So this is the same. So if leader stats, this needs to be the same as this as well. And then equals, it will be the same, but this needs to be the same as this. There we go. Okay, so now if we do script.Parent, so it's when it's touched, we need to do an if command. So only do it if you have enough, if you have enough clicks. So if we do if clicks.Value equals, so if we do clicks.Value equals to let's do it 10 for now, then Rebirths value equals Rebirths dot value plus 1, so it gives 1 rebirth. I don't know why this just got an error. But let's see if it works. I can change this to not visible as well. first. So this does not work for some reason. Oh, okay, so I know why this does not work. So you need this in front of the thing, but once again, YouTube will not let me put this in the description, so you're gonna have to put this in the script yourself. I will put square brackets, so I will put these where it needs to go, just so you know. Now let's go see if it gives me rebirth. So if I go here, it does not give me rebirth, but if I get 10 clicks, it gives me 1 rebirth, but it does not take away the clicks. So now let's make it so it takes away the clicks when you click it. So if we go here and then we do here, we'll do wait. We'll do wait. Yeah, we'll do this. Okay, wait. Clicks.Value equals 0. Actually, we don't need to wait a moment. Okay. Now let's see if it will take away the clicks. So if we get 10 clicks here, boom. If we get another 10, boom. Get another 10. We can keep on doing this. So in the next episode, I will make it so it's all better and everything. Right now, it's very boring. So please subscribe so you know when the next episode comes out, and I will see you then. Goodbye.